Welcome back. This is Diana. Today is a new day. Diana gets ready to go out. She goes outside with her mom. They enjoy a calm morning together. Let's start the story. Diana gets ready to go out. It is a new day. Diana is at home. She feels good. She feels calm. The morning is quiet. The house is quiet. The light is soft and warm. Diana goes to her room. She walks slowly. She is not in a hurry. She looks around her room. Everything feels familiar. Everything feels safe. She sees her jacket. She sees her shoes. The jacket is on a chair. The shoes are near the door. Diana takes her jacket. She holds the jacket in her hands. The jacket feels warm. She puts on her jacket. She moves her arms. She feels comfortable. Diana looks down. She takes her shoes. She puts on her shoes. She puts on one shoe. Then she puts on the other shoe. The shoes feel comfortable. She can walk easily. She feels ready. Diana stands up. She looks in the mirror. She looks at herself. She fixes her jacket. She smiles. She looks ready to go out. Diana takes her bag. The bag is small. The bag is light. She opens the bag. She looks inside. She checks her things. Everything is there. Everything feels right. The bag is ready. Diana holds the bag. She feels excited. She feels happy. She walks to the door. She hears steps in the house. Mom is there. Mom is near the door. Mom looks at Diana. Mom smiles warmly. Mom asks, "Are you ready?" Diana says, "Yes." Mom helps Diana. She fixes Diana's jacket again. She checks the bag one more time. Everything looks good. Diana feels happy. She feels excited. She feels ready. Diana goes closer to the door. She opens the door slowly. She says, "Bye." Mom says, "Bye." Diana steps outside. The air feels fresh. The air feels nice. The day feels good. It is a good morning. Diana is ready to go out. Diana is outside. Diana is outside. Her mom is with her. They stand near their house. The morning is calm. The air is fresh. Diana looks around. Mom looks around too. The street is quiet. There are few cars. Diana hears birds. The birds sing. Mom hears the birds. Mom smiles. Diana likes the sound. She feels happy. Diana looks at the sky. The sky is blue. Mom looks at the sky. She points at the clouds. The clouds are white. They move slowly. Diana feels the sun. The sun is warm. Mom feels the sun too. It feels nice. Diana smiles softly. Mom smiles back. They start to walk. They walk together. Diana walks slowly. Mom walks next to her. They walk on the sidewalk. The sidewalk is clean. Diana looks at trees. The trees are green. Leaves move in the wind. The wind is gentle. Diana touches a leaf. The leaf is cool. Mom watches Diana. Mom feels calm. They see flowers. The flowers are bright. Some flowers are yellow. Some flowers are pink. Diana smells the flowers. They smell nice. Mom smells them too. She likes the smell. Diana takes a deep breath. She feels relaxed. Mom takes a deep breath. She feels good. They hear a dog. The dog barks far away. Diana looks at Mom. Mom says it is okay. Diana is not scared. She feels safe. They walk a little more. They walk slowly. Diana looks at houses. The houses are quiet. Windows are closed. Doors are closed. Diana holds Mom's hand. Mom holds Diana's hand. They stop for a moment. They look around again. Diana feels calm. Mom feels calm too. Diana smiles again. Mom smiles again. They enjoy the walk. They enjoy the morning. Diana feels happy. She likes walking with Mom. Story 6, Diana talks with Mom. Diana is in the park. Her mom is with her. They sit on a wooden bench. The bench is old and strong. The bench feels warm. The park is beautiful. The park is quiet. Trees are around them. The trees are tall. The trees are green. Leaves move slowly. The air feels fresh. The air feels clean. Diana sits next to her mom. Mom sits close to Diana. They feel comfortable. They feel relaxed. Mom looks at Diana. Mom smiles softly. Diana looks at Mom. Diana smiles too. Mom asks a question. She asks about the walk. Diana listens carefully. Diana thinks for a moment. Diana says the walk was nice. She says it was calm. Mom listens carefully. Mom nods slowly. Mom looks happy. Mom asks another question. She asks how Diana feels. Diana thinks again. Diana takes a small breath. Diana says she feels good. She says she feels calm. She says she feels happy. Mom smiles again. Mom says she is glad. Mom says she likes the walk. Diana feels warm inside. She feels safe. She likes talking with Mom. They sit quietly for a moment. They look at the park. They see people walking. They see families walking. They see children playing. They see dogs running. The dogs look happy. They hear birds singing. The birds sing softly. The birds sound nice. Diana listens to the birds. Mom listens too. They listen together. They take a deep breath. They feel relaxed. The sun feels warm. The sun shines softly. Light moves through the trees. Light falls on the bench. Diana looks at the sky. The sky is blue. The sky is clear. Mom looks at the sky. They sit together quietly. They enjoy the moment. They feel close. They feel safe. The morning feels peaceful. The park feels calm. Diana feels happy. She feels thankful. She likes being with her mom. Diana has a nice morning. She spends time with her mom. They talk and feel calm. The day feels good. Thank you for watching. See you next time.